Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Oculus account. So what you need to do is open any of the web browser and in the top you should type down auth.meta.com and enter it and you'll get into this interface. And make sure to understand that you can no longer create a standalone Oculus account. So it's required to log in or create an account in Facebook, Instagram or an email. So as I'm going to select this email here, simply type down your email address and select continue and select create new account. Type down your name and select next and simply follow the on-screen instruction here as well and create a password. Make sure the password is strong enough and select next. And what you need to do is select create account after that. And here also type down the confirmation code from your Gmail sent by the Oculus and select next for the confirmation, and that is it. This is how you can create an account on Oculus. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.